Good
Good
evening,
afternoon,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
very good. So, how are you? We are connecting after a long time.
Yes, definitely. After a long time, we are meeting each other. Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. And how have you been?
Yes, I have been also doing quite well.
Okay.
How's your practice going on?
Yeah, practice is going on very well. But last few days, I did not make this kind of video because I didn't get any learner. Yeah, who is free for making this kind of video. And in the morning time, every single day, uh, I go for morning walk. At that time, I do practice. I do practicing every single day. At that time also, I talk with another person, audio call.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Earlier, lots of people were there for practicing. Co-learners were there, but nowadays I hardly find anyone. Like majority, I don't know what happened. I also and
Mhm.
I've been also was I am also was not available. I was also not available for couple of months. I didn't use. So recently I just started again having conversation with the people for the last week also, only I started. So
Yeah,
what are the
nowadays
reasons why people are not there?
yeah, maybe the Microsoft Teams in this application there is no option for recording. That's why they are not encouraged using this application. Yeah, maybe they are using another application uh, or another application. That's why in this application there is less learner. I noticed that.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And like currently I can see like you are in your field. I think
Yeah,
you are
yeah,
in
I am on
field.
the field. Yeah, it is my near my house. Yeah,
Yeah. So it is your field like your neighbors or someone.
yeah, neighbor. I have in this area. I have a own field over there. You can see behind the house. Yeah, you can see
Yeah,
there is a one
yeah,
house
yeah, yeah, yeah.
in front of the house. There is a land. Yeah, it is mine.
Yeah. And what type of crops are grown?
Yeah, few days ago, maybe 2 or 3 days ago, the all potato uh, has been harvested. Yeah, in our locality by the farmers. Right now, there is no any uh, potato, and few of the crops. I mean, tomato. Yeah, and brinjal. This kind of crops are going right now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So all like vegetables you are growing currently.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
All right, sir. I know very well about yourself. So first of all, please say something about yourself for my viewers.
yeah, yeah. I will give a short introduction for your channel. So my name is Sunil Khandekar. I am from Goa. I have done my studies in civil engineering. So I have been working as a engineer for government of Goa. Recently, I have joined, and my hobbies like reading books, newspaper, watching, playing cricket, football, and having conversation with the people. That's a short introduction about me.
Yes, yes. It is wonderful introduction. And sir, you are also a working person. Right now, you are working as well as also you are learning. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So whenever I
Yeah.
get a time, I try to like learn like whatever skills I'm interested. So whenever I get a time, I try to utilize my time for learning purpose.
Yeah, and maybe as far as I remember, when I made one video with you 6 or 7 months ago, and at that time, while making the video, at that time I got few sound behind you, and the same thing it is happening behind you. There is a sound, but what is the sound?
That like now that day when we had the word like I was at my workplace. So at that time that sound
Yeah,
was coming from that my workplace sound. But now currently I'm not on site. I'm currently at my home. But like in my neighboring house, like construction works is going on. So the sound from that that area.
yeah, yeah. Okay, and sir, I know very well you have been learning this language for a long time. I have been learning this language for a long time. And sir, what do you think about your English speaking journey? Are you improving your English skill day by day?
Yeah, I can say I'm improving, but like I have to, like 2 or 3 months I have taken a grab. because I was not able to practice. So at that time, I was not able, like little bit, like I got gap in my consistency. So again, I decided to that I need to practice regularly so that I want to develop my fluency. So I want to like again start after a gap of 2 3 months. I'm starting again my English speaking. Yeah.
Yes, yes, I noticed that. Yeah, last few months ago, yeah, I did not make any video last 10 or 15 days, and after that, I started again for making this kind of video. Making this kind of video. At that time, I had to struggle a lot, and at that time, I had to face a lot of problem. And have you ever faced this kind of problem for making this kind of video for conversation with another person?
Yeah, yeah, I also faced like similar problem when I was when actively speaking with the people. At that time I was able to speak with quite fluency and with that confidence, but after gap of 1 or 2 months, like I like little bit, not fully, but sometimes I get struck, like I'm not able to express some words. So that is the problem. So if you I think if you practice regularly, try to speak with the people regularly, that I think this problem will not be the issue. Therefore, like we say, like consistency, is a key to success. So whatever,
Yes.
like in field like you are doing, like not just English speaking, any activity, if you have to maintain that consistency. Yeah.
Yes, you are okay. I totally agree with you. Practice is the most important key, and consistency is very important. Always you have to practice regular basis. I know very well. Yeah, when I don't practice don't practice 2 days or 3 days. Yeah, after that also I had to face a lot of problem. I know very well. Practice is the most important. Actually, in my locality there is no good English environment. Yeah, that's why I had to face a lot of problem.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Same here. Like I'm
And
also like didn't get environment, so but I have to like build. We have to build, like people like us. We have to build environment through such apps. So yeah, and you have to practice regularly.
yeah, and sir, you are from Goa, and in which language do you use to communicate another people?
Yeah. In Goa, like we speak like Kokani is our mother tongue, so we communicate in Kokani. The language is Kokani.
Hopefully.
But people from like in Hindi, like people also know Hindi, and some people they can also manage to speak in English. So and Marathi is also used. So whole language, like
Mm,
most of the people they can, like three languages they can speak in Goa.
mm, 3 or 4 languages are
Yeah,
used over there.
yeah,
In Kolkata, most of the people are Bengali person. Bengali our native language. Yeah, most of the people they always speak very Bengali language. But in Kolkata is the capital of our state, and at that place Hindi is spoken over there. There's so many people they are also speak. They speak Hindi language.
yeah, yeah. So I heard like recently from news, like Kolkata is is scheduled to have an election in coming days. So like
Yeah, the election has been announced by the election commission. Yeah, maybe it will be happen around 23rd April or 29th April. There are two
yeah,
phases.
two faces. Yeah, yeah, I know.
Yeah, in this
And
election. Yeah.
like what are the issues for this election? Like any issues particular with respect to your state?
Yeah, yeah, there are so many issues. Yeah, and I don't know what will happen. Yeah, maybe uh, in our state right now that's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Yeah, she is doing good job, and on the other hand, the Bharatiya Janata Party, he is the uh, opposition party. They are also fighting. Yeah, what will happen? Yeah,
Yeah. And like what are the like issues for the election? Like like unemployment, like corruption, rise in inflation. So any like issues are there?
yeah, there are so many issues. Yeah, unemployment. There is no industry. Yeah, in our state, this is the issue. But I noticed that in our state, yeah, our government, ruling government. I mean, this government also are providing so many money. Yeah, so many money, and that's why people are interested about this money nowadays.
Yeah, yeah. And also like I heard like in recently like that hospital incident which took place like RG
Yes,
Car
Arjun.
hospital. So
Yeah,
with respect to like women's safety is also I think will be an issue in your state.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right.
Yeah.
So, sir,
And also there is yeah.
yeah,
I was asking like recently like no that SIR thing happened like water relay special intensive revision and like many people's names are like omitted something. So is that also a issue?
yeah, yeah. It is also. It will be issue. It will be issue in our state. There are so many people. They have been removed from the voter list. That's why it will be very. Uh, it will be affected. It will be affected. Yeah. In this election.
I hope that like people like something good should happen for the people of West Bengal. So I'm like hoping for
Yeah, yeah,
good.
yeah. And tell me about your state in Goa and how is the weather? What they are?
Like weather is I will say like summer season is in progress. So rise in the temperature for the last 1 month, and we have another two months of summer season. After that rainy season. So rise in the
Yeah,
temperature. So currently at present like I think it's pleasant weather, not that much hot, but still like yesterday it was a little bit hot. But today not that much
yeah.
hot. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the summer season has already started. Yeah, in our state, it is too hot. But yesterday it was raining. Yeah, maybe around 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. That's why the weather has been changed right now. Yeah, in this time the weather is very pleasant weather right now. It is comfortable.
Yeah. So it rained yesterday at your place.
Yes, yes. Yesterday it was raining in the evening time.
Yeah. So it's actually no quite strange. Like you suddenly get rain.
Yes. Acha, right now also you are doing a job as well as you are learning this language. And in your locality, do you have any colleague? Do you have any friend who is learning this language, who is speaking English?
Like there are people are there, but like I'm not in touch with these those people. Like there are people there are there. So I didn't get environment. So therefore I'm practicing through this app.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. In this application, for practicing purpose, this application is very well because in this application also you can connect with another person very easily. Yeah, and yeah, nowadays also for making the video conversation, yeah, for video conversation there is a less learner, yeah, less viewer. But if you want to talk with audio call, yeah, there are so many people.
Yeah, yeah. But for me, like audio video doesn't matter. So I just want to practice. So whenever I get a time, so after gap of 2 3 months, I want to again resume my English speaking journey. So therefore, I know I want to start again. So I don't want to take a gap because once you take a gap, I can feel that you are not able to speak that well. So for the making for that purpose to develop the fluency in English speaking, you need consistency. So I want to work again on my fluency and my consistency. Therefore, I'm resuming again my journey.
Yeah, yeah, you don't care it is audio call or video call, but right now also you are speaking English very well. You have a lot of confidence. You can right now you can communicate with another person who belong to another state, who belong to another country. There's no problem. But who are beginner, who are learning this language recently, they are afraid of making the video conversation. I noticed that. Um, I I I I tried to another person, yeah, for making this kind of video, but they are always send the message, sir, I am ready for audio call. Yeah, I don't make the video conversation because I am not a good English speaker. This kind of comment also I am getting from other side.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So like I like to like to advise them like don't feel like shy or afraid, like because
Yes,
when I started also like when you must have also started, like our condition was
yes,
also the same because we didn't had environment even like no we are, because it is not first language. So like my advice is to them is to just forget whatever, like don't care, just start speaking. So however however, like you are like even if you make grammatical mistake doesn't matter. Like we are there, like so many people, good people are there on this platform. They will definitely correct you, and with that regularly engaging in session with those people, and you will also you know you can improve, because I have seen lots of people are there, because when I talked to them previously at that stage, they were not that they were in the beginning, they were not able to speak with that, but later with time I have seen the people like they can speak very confidence with very much fluency. So it is my advice to them. So for like don't care like what other people will think about you. So ignore that and just start speaking and start practicing.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I totally agree with you. As far as I remember, when I started my English speaking journey, first of all, at that time, I used to watch so many video on the YouTube channel, and I used to talk with another person with audio call. At that time, I did not make any video conversation because at that time I thought maybe while speaking English, I made few mistakes. Yeah, that's why I don't want. But audio call and video call, both are very important. Yeah, when you talk with another person, video call at that time, eye contact, body language, yeah, both are very important.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Like not just you have advantage with respect to video call. Like in audio call, you just only it is a like you are interacting with the voice, but in video call, you get to see the person in front. Like to like in conversation, all your eye contact, your body language,
Mm.
your expression. So all things play important role in conversation.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah, and few of the learner who are learning this language, who are beginner, I noticed that when in the morning time when I went to the morning walk, at that time I talk with another person with audio call, and after talking just few minutes, I mean, he asked he asked three questions, and what is your name, and where are you from, and currently what do you do? Yeah, I gave the answer, but after after listening this kind of question, they disconnected the call. But what is the reason, I don't know. But as far I know, it maybe they don't know how to ask the question in English. That's why they disconnect the call. I got this type of learner, yeah, so many times.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So for that, like I also come across this person also, but after a few times they disconnect the call. So in that stages I prefer myself to ask them questions, so that they can I involve them, so that they can they can at least get familiar and get used to it, and they can with time they can also ask question, and we can have a conversation.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, behind you, I can see there is a coconut tree. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it's a coconut tree. I'm sitting on at top of my house on a roof terrace. I went. So there's a coconut
In,
tree and also
in the
avada tree.
southern part, yeah, in the southern part, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, at that place, maybe there are so many coconut trees. Yeah, over there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So many coconut trees. Like in coconut is is a part of staple diet, because we consume coconut. We may use coconut to make curries and so many dishes.
Yeah,
So in every house you will find coconut tree. If you just if I just able to say, in every house there will be coconut tree.
yes, yes. All right, sir. It was a nice conversation with you. Yeah, you are also speaking English very well. I have learned so many things by contact with you because one of my friends, he is waiting for me. Yeah, I'll go
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah. All right, sir.
Nice
Thank
talking
you.
to you,
Take
sir.
care. Bye.
Thanks
Have a
for
good
your
day.
time. Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Take
Take
care.
care.